Everion, and welcome back to our channel where we explore the incredible wonders of the cosmos. Today, we're talking about something truly special. A visitor from another star system that is currently putting on a spectacular show right in our cosmic backyard. I'm talking about the Interstellar Comet 3I, Atlas, and let me tell you, it's getting more and more exciting to watch. Juste récemment, the telescope projected a breathtaking new image of this cosmic traveler. And the details are simply stunning. What we're seeing is that the comet's eye and tail has grown dramatically. It's not just longer. It's also more structured and defined. This is a huge sign that the comet is becoming more active as it gets closer to our sun and heats up. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an eye and tail? Well, it's a fascinating process. As the comet gets bombarded by the sun's powerful ultraviolet radiation, gas molecules that are being released from the comet's surface get their electrons stripped away. This turns them into charged particles called ions. These ions are then picked up by the solar wind, which is a constant stream of charged particles flowing out from the sun and are swept away to form this long, beautiful, and often bluish tail. An interesting fact is that the eye and tail always points directly away from the sun, no matter which way the comet itself is traveling. This is different from the dust tail, which is made of heavier particles and tends to curve along the comet's path. The new image, which is actually a composite of 18 separate 2-minute exposures, shows this eye and tail with incredible clarity. It was captured by robotic telescopes in Italy. And what is amazing is that they managed to get such a sharp view, even with the comet low on the horizon and a bright moon in the sky. In the image with bright core, called the nucleus, surrounded by a fuzzy cloud of gas and dust known as the coma. From the core, the sharp eye and tail stretches out for about 0.7 degrees across the sky. For perspective, the full moon is about half a degree, so this tail is visually longer than the diameter of the full moon. There's even a hint of a faint anti-tail. This is a cool optical illusion that sometimes happens when we view a comet from our specific angle here on Earth. It makes it look like there's a small tail pointing towards the sun. But it is really just dust particles trailing along the comet. S-orbit that appear to be in the opposite direction from our viewpoint. All these features, especially the brightness and length of the main tail, tell us one thing: 3I Atlas is venting gas and dust much more vigorously than before. The sun's heat is really starting to have an effect. What makes 3I ATLA so incredibly important is that it is only the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever detected. The first was the mysterious Oumuamua back in 2017, which was a strange, cigar-shaped object that left scientists with more questions than answers. Then, in 2019, we had 2I Borisov, which was clearly a comet, but it was relatively faint. But 3I ATLAS is different. It's bright enough for astronomers to study in great detail using ground-based telescopes. This gives us a golden opportunity, a rare chance to see how a comet from another planetary system behaves when it encounters our sun. Think about it. This object has traveled through the vast emptiness of interstellar space, perhaps for millions of years, before wandering into our solar system. Temp of neighborhood. The increasing activity, this process of sublimation, where ices on the comet turn directly into gas, is what we're all watching. Early data suggests that 3I Atlas might have a lot of carbon dioxide ice. This is a huge clue. The composition of the comet can tell us about the conditions in the planetary system formed. What kinds of materials were available? Answering these questions helps us understand how comets, and by extension planetary systems, form and evolve, not just in our own solar system, but across the galaxy. Every new observation is a piece of a giant puzzle. By analyzing the light from the comet, a technique called spectroscopy, scientists can identify the different molecules being released. This helps them build a chemical profile of the comet. Is its composition similar to the comets born in our own solar system, or is it wildly different? If it's similar, it might suggest that the building blocks for planets are common throughout the galaxy. If it's different, it could point to a wide diversity in the chemistry of other star systems. This journey of 3i, Atlas through our inner solar system, is a limited time event. It's moving fast, and it won't be here forever. That's why observatories like the Virtual Telescope Project are keeping a close eye on it, capturing its evolution day by day. As it continues its journey, we expect its activity to increase even more, potentially making it an even more impressive sight. We're witnessing a unique, natural experiment, watching as our sun interacts with a pristine object from interstellar space. For all you amateur astronomers out there, while this comet is still quite faint and requires a good telescope to see, its increasing brightness is promising. Who knows? It might become a more accessible target in the coming weeks and months. We'll definitely keep you updated on its progress and any new discoveries that are made. The study of interstellar objects like 3i, Atlas, is a relatively new and incredibly exciting field in astronomy. It's like cosmic archaeology, digging into the past and the origins of other worlds without ever leaving our own solar system. Each piece of data brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe and whether the processes that led to our own planet are unique or commonplace. That's all for today's deep dive into the fascinating story of Comet 3i ATLAS. It's a beautiful reminder of the dynamic and interconnected nature of our galaxy. Objects are constantly moving between stars, carrying with them the secrets of their origins. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest space news and discoveries, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you find most fascinating about this interstellar visitor. Until next time, keep looking up